Now it needs to be able to make us lose lives if it catches up to us. It needs to be able to target the player so it can send the player a message. The safest way of doing this is when the level starts, it'll ask who the player is by setting a player variable. So that'll be from properties, set instance player to the first thing it can find with that player tag, which is first instance by tag player. Now, constantly, if it has caught up to the player, so we need an if, then we want a greater than, then we want my position, x position of me, is greater than x position of the player, which we set when the level starts. And if I have gone past the player, then I'm going to send a message to the player, and that message will be broadcast player die. We'll just make sure the player can actually receive that message. Down here, when I receive player die, I lose a life. Yep, that's good. So let's test it out. So the sun is gonna try to get past me, and I'm not losing lives yet. I'm only losing, still haven't lost a life. Okay, I've lost a life here. The problem is, okay, here's the problem. I was saying X position of the sun, and that is this line here, because this image is so big. Once this line gets past the player's position. So we want to say once around here gets past the player's position. So it's basically sun's position plus a certain amount, or maybe even just sun's position plus width of the sun minus a certain amount. That might be an easier way of doing it. So go and edit that sun script. Instead of saying if my position is bigger than the player's position, we want to know if my position plus something is bigger than the player's position. So we need a plus x position of myself plus my width. Let's try that. X position of myself plus my width. We'll see if that works. Okay, so I'm instantly dying because sun plus width is right over at the edge of those flames.